Hello.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Any doubt last session?
No, sir.
Okay, Manjunath not joined. Okay, last session. Okay, we created purchase info record. Okay, last session we created a purchase info record. Okay. Now this concept is related to source list and quota arrangement. Okay, first concept name is source list. Source list. Okay, source list means like one material, like let me run the material. Okay, one material like MM60 plant. Which plant it is? LGBN. This is the these are all the materials. Okay, example, take this material. Okay, this material. This material. This material is supplying by how many vendors? Like in market, we have different vendors. Okay, one material supplying by different vendors. Let's see. MKVZ purchasing organization. Okay, 300, 100, 100. I don't know which one that is. Vendor should be with the same purchasing organization. LGD only. 300, 100. 300, 100. When vendor. 300, 101. 300, 102. This is we can call vendor list. Okay, vendor list. Okay, vendor list means this like one material is going to supply by the different vendor list. We can call source list. Source list is nothing but a different sources. Source is nothing but a here vendor. Source is nothing but a here vendor. How to maintain those particular data? Okay, how to maintain those particular data, that we can call source list. For that we have very simple transaction code only. The main transaction code is ME01, that is only we can call maintain source list. Maintain source list. Okay, ME02. ME02 is not there. ME03 display source list. Okay, ME03 display source list. ME04 display changes. And ME1M, not 1M, ME0M. It is a source list report. Okay, source list. Okay, source list report. Okay, source list report. Okay, to maintain this data like this, okay, we will use this directly. There is no configuration directly. We can use here ME01. Just we need materials and we need vendors. Okay, we need material and we need vendors here. To maintain this one, we can use this particular source list. But if you want to activate plant level, only one setting is there. Okay, only one setting, SPRO setting. SPRO configuration. Better avoid with plant level. Okay, plant level configuration. But I am explaining how to activate it, but I will deactivate also. I'll show you. If you maintain activation, plant level activation, you have to maintain for all the materials. You have to maintain the sources. Okay, let me show that first. SPRO, SAP reference configuration of source list. Only one step. SAP reference IMG, material management, purchasing, source list, define source list requirements at plant level, define source list requirement at plant level, execute, you click on execute. Here we have to maintain the plant name LGBN. LGBN is a, if you maintain this one, it will be activated under plant level. Okay, it will be activated under plant level. Okay, it will be activated under plant level. How to activate? Just select here. If you click here, then plant level will be activated. If you remove this one, okay, if you remove this one, then it won't activate plant level. Just only one checkbox, that's it. But I'm not going to activate. Why means if I activate all the materials, I have to maintain source list. You will get errors in future. But if you are going to maintain all the materials with source list in your plant, you can maintain. Otherwise, for practice purpose, no need to maintain here. This is the only one step. Then second step. First step is over. Second step. I'll create new material MM01. MM01. I don't know which company, which industry, etc. Electronics industry, I think. Then material type is, what is the material type? LG RH we created, or ROH also okay. LG RH material type. LG RH. Enter. Okay, 1 second. Plant name is not selected properly. MM01. Enter. Select arc levels. LGBN. Save here. Okay, this is source list example. Listing. Same material type, only difference is enter. Here you have to select here purchase group. Okay, select your purchase group, GAN something we created. Here down we have one option, source list option. This is the one activation, source list activation. Okay, source list activation. Okay, source list activation. Okay, select here source list. Enter, enter, enter. Maintain here valuation class. Maintain here price control. Moving average price. This is same as material creation only. Just only I activated here under purchasing side. Okay, I activated the purchasing tab. I activated. Let's see once again. Under purchasing tab, activated source list activated. Okay, source list activated. That's it. Okay, source list. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Now material is created. Now material is created. Okay, now material is created. For this material, we will create the source list. Copy this material number. Go to logistics, material management, purchasing, master data, purchasing master data, source list. Okay, same path under that logistics, material management. Okay, material management. Under material management, purchasing. Okay, master data. Okay, master data. Under that source list. Under that source list. Okay, ME01. Okay, ME01. Okay, ME01. Okay, double click. Okay, ME01. Double click. Okay, enter the material number and plant name. Enter the material number and plant. Enter. Validity from today onwards. 1 month or 2 months validity I will give. Okay, 2 months, like up to, okay, up to 2025. Share from 11th month to 1st month. Okay, from 11th month to 1st month. Vendor number we can browse here. Okay, vendor number we can browse here. Company code is LG05. We have different vendors. You can select any vendor number. Okay, any vendor number. Purchasing organization, something LGST, na? Enter. Okay, enter. Like this, you will maintain all the list of vendors. Okay, all the list of vendors. Then select the second data. For second vendor also you can select the same data. This is 302. 102, same purchasing organization. Okay, I'm going to maintain 3 vendors. 3 vendors with the purchasing organizations. I think this vendor is not related to this purchasing organization. Okay, so now I maintain clearly all the, okay, let me check once again, XK01. Purchasing organization. LGST only, na? Otherwise you can cross check vendors. Purchasing organization, LGST only. Okay. Okay, purchasing organization is LGST only. I maintain. What is the advantage of this particular, okay, this particular source list means here we can fix the vendor or we can block the vendor. That is the, okay, main option. It is the either we can fix the vendor, either we can block the vendor. How to fix the vendor? How to block the vendor? Okay. Just enter the data. Okay, enter all the data. If you want to fix this vendor, you can fix the vendor here. Okay, if you want to block the vendor, you can block the vendor. If I block this vendor, this 2 months you cannot supply the material. But even you can use XK05 also, but this is second way. I told you one interview question. How to block the vendor? Okay, how to block the vendor? Any doubt? Last session I told you how to block vendor. How many ways? 2 ways. One is XK05 and source list. List with the checkbox. Okay, with the checkbox. Understood this point? How to block the vendor? Understood this point? How to block the vendor? Any doubt? Okay, any doubt? Click on save. Okay, click on save. It is asking the info record is okay. See here now, because here if I fix it compulsory, we have to maintain the info record. Meaning, for this combination, I did not maintain info record. Yesterday I told you info record. If you remove, then it will allow. See now once again, if you want to fix this one, you have to maintain this vendor. So this material, this vendor combination, you have to create a purchase info record. Let me show. ME11 I told you yesterday. This is the vendor number 101. Now if I create this one, okay, testing 1, 3, 5. Same data. Okay, same data. 1000 kg. 100 rupees. Save here. Now I created the source list info record ME11. Observe the difference now. For this material, I am going to fix this vendor. Fixing. Now it will allow. Enter. Only one vendor I fixed. Second vendor I blocked. Third vendor I did not select anything. Let's see this one. You see this one? Now it is changed. Okay, source list is created. Manjunath understood this point. Bhavya, what is the use of source list? Sudarshan, any doubt here? Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, any doubt? Okay. Now, okay. Now, if you want to change same T code, there's no ME02 is not there. See now, ME01 is okay, maintain. ME02 is not there to change. ME01 and 02 both the same transaction code. That is only ME01. Okay, ME01 only to change the any data. Let's see. If I don't want to block this vendor, second vendor, I can remove the block. Save it. Okay, I can remove the block. Like this, we can update the source list data using block and unblock. Okay, block and block. Okay, block and block. Okay, next. To display that one, ME03 we can use same as display only. To check the display changes, we'll use here ME04. If I execute now, it will show clearly the new value. It will show. Okay, that new value it will show. It will show that new value. Okay, what is meaning of new value here? Okay, what is meaning of new value? Okay, meaning we maintained. Okay, we maintained here. Okay, like data for the particular this one that it will call okay new value. Okay, that it will call new value. Okay, new value means we edited. Okay, old value we edited and blocked is indicated. Fixed vendor is it will show like this. This is a new value. Okay, this is a blocked source. Okay, blocked source. Like this we can monitor and report here. One option is there list display. This is we can call ME0M. I entered some wrong I think here. ME0M only. That is source list report. ME0M. Okay, ME0M is nothing but by material wise report. Material wise report. Just click on that ME0M, double click, enter the material number, enter the material number, enter the material number, and click on execute here. Okay, click on execute. You can see here clearly, you can observe now. It is fixed. Okay, it is fixed here. Okay, the remaining are not fixed. Like that, we can monitor the data using this option. Okay, this concept we can call okay source list. Okay, source list. For the same concept extension only quota arrangement. Quota arrangement. Meaning for this vendor, okay, we have three vendors. How much percentage of material you are going for quota, like for purchasing side, like 500 kg for this vendor, 250 kg for this vendor, 250 kg for this another vendor. Means total 1000 kg you are going to split the configuration. 500 means 50%, 250 means 25%, 250 means 25%. Means we are going to maintain the quota for the each and every vendor. This is you can call quota arrangement. Quota arrangement. Means how to maintain the quota for the vendors. T codes all MEQN quota ME Q3 display quota MEQ for display changes MEQM quota report. Okay, quota report. Write down these points. Okay, 3 T codes, 4 T codes. First T code and last T code is important. These two are mainly we can use. Okay, write down first. Configuration of quota arrangement. Same as it is. Only just one activation, configuration of quota. SPRO. First, we have to maintain some settings. Okay, we have to maintain some settings. Go to SPRO. IMG. Click on IMG. Purchasing. MM purchasing. Quota arrangement. Okay, we have to create two steps. One is define number ranges. Another one is quota. Click on number ranges. Okay, click on define number ranges. Execute. Click on groups. Okay, click on groups. This is by default quota group is there already. If you want your own number ranges, click on create button. If you want to create our own number ranges, create button. New group. Okay, number range. Any number range you can enter. 999. Click on save. It is overlapping here. Rename it some other number. Re-enter with the save option. Okay, with the save option. That is also overlapping. Why? Let me check. For this one, if something is maintained properly, 9 series they maintain, then we'll create our new series. LG new group. New group. 2099. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Back. Okay, back. Okay, now I maintain group. This queue I have to maintain to my new group, new number range I need. Select the queue. Same procedure last class IN IL I maintained for source list. Same procedure. Element group, new LG group or LG new group. Okay, new LG group. Double click, save. Okay, double click and save. Okay, back button. Okay, back button. Define quota arrangement usage. Define quota arrangement usage. We'll create our new entries. Where you are going to use this quota? Which module? Okay, is it purchasing or is it MRP or is it production or is it invoice? Okay, now I am going to use here. Okay, in production purchase order and as well as requisition I am going to use. Since as a purchase point of view I am going to select purchase order and the requisition with the MRP, material requirement planning. Click on save, enter, save. Click on enter and save. Click on enter and save. Click on save. Back. Okay, back. For this particular quota 8, that number we have to attach to material number. Go to same material number. Better I can go to the same material number only. 21 material number. MM02 is the transaction code. Enter the material number. Enter the material number. Enter. Just select only purchasing. Okay, select only purchasing. Otherwise, select all, no problem. Go to purchasing tab. Okay, go to purchasing tab. Under purchasing tab, we have quota option, quota arrangement usage. Under purchasing tab, we have quota arrangement usage. Okay, browse. Okay, browse. 8, save. Okay, 8 and save. Okay, 8 and save. Okay, material unchanged. Okay, material unchanged. Okay, material unchanged. Change material. Now quota is ready. How to use the quota? Okay, quota is ready. We'll go to logistics. Now testing, quota testing. Material management. Material management. Purchasing. Master data. You can see now info record, source list, vendor is completed. Okay, quota arrangement we are working now. MEQ1. Okay, MEQ1. Okay, MEQ1. Double click. Okay, double click. Enter the material and plant. Enter the material and plant. Okay, enter. Enter the date. Okay, like quota should be with around 1 year or 1 month also can maintain. Quota I am start date by default will come. End date I will maintain. 1 year quota I am going to maintain. Otherwise 1 month quota also can maintain. 1 month also can maintain. Quota wise 2024 means 12. 12 means 1 month. Click on date. Click on this date quota and select here item. Okay, select here item. Click on item. Here we have to maintain the which type of procurement we are working. That procurement is external procurement. Okay, procurement means external procurement. Enter the vendor number. Enter the vendor number. If you don't know vendor number, you can browse from here. 300 101. Okay, you can just write down directly 300 101. Quota 500. I told you, I'll give the 500 quota. For the second vendor, 00102, 250 I will specify. For third vendor, 100 104 250. Okay, 250. Just enter. Enter. You can observe now quota. I did not split this quota percentage. Just maintain with some data. Okay, maintain with some data. 500 kgs, 250 kgs, 250 kgs. Then system will generate automatically quota percentage. Okay, quota. Okay, click on. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Now quota arrangement is created. Like this, for any material, you can maintain. If you want to change the quota, once again you can change the quota. Select here, see one ID also generated. Select here item. Now I am going to change the some quota percentage here. For this one, like 400. For this one, 300. Like this. Yes, I am changing the quota percentage. 300. Okay, 300. Then system will calculate automatically. Okay, that percentage 40. Okay, 40, and like that it will create this particular okay option. Okay, this option. This we can call. Okay, this we can call quota percentage. Okay, quota. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Now quota arrangement is maintained successfully. Okay, quota arrangement is created successfully. If you want to change here, no change here. Same maintain only change option. Maintain only change options. Okay, maintain. Okay, maintain only same option. Click on MEQ1, maintain. Click on MEQ1, maintain. Enter the material number and execute. Continue. 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 Select here items. Okay, this is only change option. Okay, change options. This is the way, okay, to maintain the data, for this quota arrangement. Okay, save it. Save it. Next, back button. Okay, MEQ3 means only display. MEQ3 means only display. Okay, MEQ3 only display. Okay. Okay, MEQ3. Just enter, we'll see the data. Okay, we'll see this data. You can call display quota arrangement. Okay, display quota arrangement. Okay, display. Okay, just only monitor that is. Next, final T code. MEQ, sorry, two T codes. MEQ4. MEQ4 is nothing but a display changes. MEQ4 is for display changes. Okay, MEQ4 display changes. Double click, enter the material, enter the material. Click on execute. See that whatever we changed here, old values and new values, we can monitor here. Okay, old values and new one. Okay, both it will be appeared here. Okay, both options. Okay, this is a way to check that particular. Any doubt? Any doubt in this quota arrangement report? Report, we have one more report. List display. MEQM. Okay, MEQM. Double click on this. Okay, double click on this. Okay, execute here. Okay, see now all the data has come here. This is like report. Okay, this is like a report. Okay, how to maintain the report. This is all. Okay, and this is all the data it has come. Okay, this is all the data. Okay, this is the way to run the This is a way to run the quota report. Okay, quota report. Now source list is over, quota is over. Now we are moving to next concept name we can call purchase requisition. Okay, purchase requisition. Okay, purchase requisition is very important, and from purchase requisition onwards, there are so many. Okay, there are so many concepts will start like sequentially. Okay, each and every concept. Yeah. Any doubt now? In this concept, today concept, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then today I'll stop it and we'll work on tomorrow class with this how to create the purchase requisitions, how to create the purchase requisitions, how to maintain mandatory data. This all will work out tomorrow session. Okay, tomorrow session. Yeah. Okay, I'll stop it now today. Okay, today class.
Yeah, sir.
But
Thank you.
any doubt, Bhavya?
No, sir.
Manjunath, practicing daily, Manjunath? Any Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, compulsory, you have to practice compulsory. Here, I'll help you, okay, whatever doubts you have, whatever errors you will get it, I'll help you my side. Because if you practice, then only you'll come to know where exactly you are facing issue. Because without practicing, it's like, okay, after completion of course, then you will face so many issues. Because one issue it will take more than 5 hours, 6 hours also sometimes. Because these all are integration concepts. These are all as per my schedule. Okay, all the steps which I'll follow. If you follow the same steps, then you will get 100% results. You will get it. Okay, almost even subcontracting related and MRP also we are getting output. Invoices 100% output we are getting. All concepts we are getting output. Output means okay exact executions. Okay, exact executions. That's why you have to practice compulsory. Okay, you have to practice compulsory. If any doubt is there, no issue. Okay, we'll work out. Okay, we'll work out. Yeah. I'll stop it now today and we'll continue tomorrow class this extension. Okay, this extension.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay. You can sit here.